So hello guys and welcome back to Smart Money Hustle. So guys, today I have a site that I want to share with you, an AI training site by the name Scale AI. Okay, so here you're going to find AI training opportunities, and at the moment they have open positions that you can try applying and see if they are going to accept you. Okay, so you'll just type on Google Scale AI jobs, and then it's going to give you a link like this one, and then you're going to open it. All right, and then after opening it, it's good for you to pass through the site so that you know what they want. Okay, if you're going to work for this site, then it's good for you to be familiar with it. Okay, you come and pass through their mission, see what they are doing, what they are hoping for, their goals and everything. You come and see also their core values. It's very important. Okay, you come and pass through all these things, and then over here now you can see the open positions. Actually they are just below here, you can see all of them. Okay, and it's good because now you can be able now to search the positions that you want over here, the departments that you want to work for. Okay, like if you want to work for finance, if I click over here, it's going to give me all the roles of finance. At the moment they have just 5 roles. Okay, so you can select any department that you want. Okay, if you want to select another one, you just press over here, you just come again over here, you select the department that you want. For location also, you come and click over here, you check if your country is listed over here. Okay, so if you are from Canada, you'll just click over here. If you are from Doha, Argentina, if you are from a country like India, you'll just click over here. Okay, and then you check the roles that are listed for your country. Okay, or you can just come over here and scroll down and check the ones that are listed over here. You click this arrow over here, and then you check if your country is listed over here, and then you do your application. Doing an application is very easy. You'll just click over here, apply. Let me just click there, apply. I show you how you'll do an application, and after you have done that, you can see now the job has been opened, the one that I've clicked. And all of this is the description of the job. It's good for you to pass through the description to see if you fit for the job. Okay, so like this one, they require education that you are supposed to have a PhD, Masters, BBA in finance, economics, or any related degrees. Okay, and these are the certifications that are strongly preferred. Your professional background, you check also your skills. Okay, and then you check the application process. All these things you're supposed to pass through them before you make an application. Okay, and now if I scroll down, now you can see you're supposed now to fill all these parts. Okay, you can also autofill if you want with this greenhouse, so it's just going to do everything for you automatically. You select your country, your phone, your names. Okay, for your education, you come and select the degree, the discipline, the end date year, the time you completed your degree, right? And then you come and fill all these other things. Okay, and after doing that, you come over here and you click submit application. Now the email that you have used over here, they are going to contact you with. Okay, and also I will also advise you, once you make an application, please do a follow-up. In case they don't reply, please do a follow-up to see if there's any problem that maybe might be making them not reply. It's good to reach out. Don't just leave it at that stage of doing an application. Even if they don't reply, please follow up. All right, there's something I wanted to show you about this site, very important. Let me just go back over here. If you scroll down past these jobs that are these open roles that are on, you can see you can also join as a university student. So there are careers for university students. Okay, so you'll just click over here, explore opportunities, and then now if I scroll down, you can see now these are the description, who should apply, university program benefits. Okay, what our team says. Okay, pass through these things, and then if you come over here, you can see the open university roles that are listed over here. And these countries are specific. They limit some people, because you can see this one is for San Francisco, and this one is for New York. Okay, so if you are from these locations, you'll just click this job over here, and then you come over here, click apply now, and now you can see the full description well. You pass through the description very well. Now you can also see the pay range over here. This is salary, pay range over there. You pass through this, you see everything. You come and fill everything over here, and once you are done, you submit your application. And also please do a follow-up in case they don't reply. Right guys, it is just that simple. So the site is called Scale AI. You just type on Google Scale AI jobs. You follow the steps that I've given you. You're going to see the jobs. You go and do your application, I shared with you a certain video of how to write a CV that is going to win, or which is going to make you outstanding. So you go and check that video and see if it's going to help you. I've also shared a lot of sites in my channel. You go and try those sites to see if they have open jobs, okay? So guys, if you are new here, you're missing a lot. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video like this one, you'll be among the first to be notified. So guys, go and try and see if you can get a job from these sites. See you on the next video. Bye. Thank you.